A lot of people ask, what's the difference between a water filter and a water softener? Well, a water filter can be a number of things. It can be a carbon filter like this, it can be an acid neutralizer, it can be an iron filter, the list goes on and on. This is a water softener. It has a main filtration tank and a salt tank for regeneration. You might say, why should I trust your answer? Well, I've been doing this for 32 years and I spent 28 years in the field installing water softeners, iron filters, acid neutralizers, etc. A lot of people ask, what does a water filter actually remove? It depends on the type of filter media in the tank. For example, this is a carbon tank. It removes herbicides, pesticides, chlorine byproducts, taste, odor, the list goes on and on. Now this is a water softener, and a water softener is designed to remove hard water. People ask, can a water filter do what a water softener does and vice versa? No. A water filter is a number of different things. It's an iron filter using a special type of media, a carbon filter using a specific type of media, an acid neutralizer, which uses a media called calcite. A water softener is filled with tiny little resin beads, and they have a positive charge. And every so often, when the bed becomes exhausted, they have to recharge the resin beads. And they use a salt solution to do that, and the control valve takes care of that automatically. The very first thing you should do before buying either a water filter or a water softener is have your water tested. We sell a great test kit that tests for 53 different contaminants in the water, and it's $199 shipped to you, and that includes lab fees. If your water shows iron, sulfur, or has a bad taste in it, this is the system you would use. As far as bad taste and sulfur, you can use the 2.5 cubic foot non-backwashing carbon tank. If your water test results show hardness level above 7 grains per gallon, a water softener is what you need. If your test shows multiple problems in your water, you're going to need more than one system. You may need a carbon tank and a water softener, or you may need an iron filter, a carbon tank, and a water softener as well. People ask, what about city water? Is it different from well water? Yes, it's municipal water supply, and it's treated by the county or the state that you live in. And it usually has high levels of chlorine and high levels of hardness at the same time. And typically, if you're on city water, we recommend a carbon tank go in first, followed by a water softener. Most of our customers end up with both, and here's why. Typically, you have multiple problems, especially on well water or city water. City water, for example, you have chlorine byproducts, and hard water. On well water, you typically have low pH, you can have iron, you can have sulfur odor, you can have manganese, and you can have bacteria. So most of our customers have more than one system in their home. People ask, why does the filter go before the softener? Things like iron can shorten the life of resin, and things like sediment can clog the resin bed and can't be backwashed out. So we always put the filter first before the water softener. A lot of people ask or get confused as to how the water systems work together. So we like to say it's like a football team, and you have the ball in your possession and you have to get down the field to that water softener. So basically your pre-filter, your iron filter, your sediment filter, they're your blockers, and your quarterback is your water softener. That's who you want to protect. The number one mistake we see customers make is buying a water softener and thinking it will fix all their water problems. If someone with the well water buys a softener and that's the only piece of equipment they install, and they have other issues like iron, sulfur, and low pH, that will not take care of it. If you're not sure what you need, the first thing you need to do is get your water tested. Check the link below for our water test. If you want to learn more about each system, go here.